Welcome to grammar lesson number 2. We have done number 1 on nouns, and today we will learn about adjectives. So what are adjectives and how do we use them? An adjective is a word that helps change another word, usually a noun, by adding something. It is used to describe a noun and tells something about that noun. Remember, it does not describe other adjectives or verbs. Adjectives usually, but not always, come before nouns. For example, a chair is a noun. Now, if you had to describe a chair to somebody else, you might say, that is a red chair, or a big chair, or a plastic chair. All these words help that person understand. And so red, big, and plastic are all examples of adjectives. So, adjectives can help us know more about an object's size, how big or small something is, the shape, whether it's round, whether it's a square, the color, how old something is, what it is made of, and where it came from. So, for example, it is a big table. That tells us about the size, how small or big talks about how big the table is. It's a round table, so it tells about the size. It's an old table. It's a brown table. It's an English table. It's a wooden table, it's a lovely table, it's a broken table, it's a coffee table. So big, round, old, brown, English, wooden, lovely, broken, coffee. These are all examples of adjectives, and they help us know more about the table. So here, in each sentence, you have to find what the adjective is. So first one, I'll do it with you. My pet dog is large. So here, the noun is the dog. So what verb helps us know more about the dog? So the adjective is large. It tells us more about the size, how big the dog is. A giraffe is yellow. Number 3, Geeta is taller than her sister Sita. Number 4, her hair is very long and black. Number 5, Assam is a big city. Number 6, she ate some rice. If you want to think more, you can stop the video, but I will move on. So, yellow. Now for number 2, yellow is the adjective. It tells us more about the color of the giraffe. Geeta is taller than her sister Sita. So taller is the adjective. It tells us more about the size. Her hair is very long and black. Long and black tells us more about the hair. It helps describe how the hair is. Assam is a big city. So big tells us more about Assam. She ate some rice. So some tells us more about how much rice she ate. So in this exercise, choose the correct adjective to fill in the blank. The car is blank. The words are on top. Hot, yellow, big, sticky, and soft. Number 1, the car is blank. Number 2, the sun is blank. Number 3, the elephant is blank. Number 4, the glue is blank. Number 5, the cake is blank. You can pause the video if you'd like. So the correct answers are: the car is yellow, the sun is hot, the elephant is big, the glue is sticky, the cake is soft. So here in each sentence, find the word which is the noun and the word that is the adjective. Remember, the adjective helps you know more about the noun. It tells us something about the noun. So the first one, Emma is young. Second one, Tony is old. Number 3, Sheena is lean. Number 4, the dress is pretty. Number 5, the dog is happy. Number 6, the chicks are hungry. So the answers, all the words in bold are the nouns, and the words that are underlined, that have a line underneath them, below them, are the adjectives. So Emma is young. Here, the noun is Emma. They're talking about a girl named Emma. So remember, a name, a place, an animal, or a thing, they're all nouns. So Emma is a name, and young is the adjective. It tells us more about Emma's age. She is not old, she is young. Tony is another noun. Tony is a name. It's this person's name. And here, old is the adjective. Old tells us more about Tony's age. Sheena is lean. Sheena is the noun. Sheena is the name of the person. Lean is the adjective. It tells us how big or small Sheena is. So Sheena is not very fat. She is very lean, thin. 4, the dress is pretty. So dress is a noun. Dress is a thing. Any name, place, animal, things, they're all nouns. A dress is a thing. Pretty is an adjective. It tells us more about the dress. The dress is not ugly. The dress is pretty. The dog is happy. So dog is an animal. So it is a noun. Happy is the adjective. It tells us that the dog is not sad. It tells us how the dog is feeling. The dog is happy. So the chicks are hungry. So chicks is the noun. Chicks are small for chickens. They're the babies of chickens, so they're animals. So they're an animal and they're the noun. Hungry is the adjective. It tells us that the chicks want food. It tells us more about the chicks. So hopefully through these exercises, you learned more about adjectives and now know what nouns and adjectives are and can find nouns and adjectives in sentences. Thank you.